Hi, would you like to stop snoring? Toronto residents who snore may also have one or more health risks associated with sleep apnea. Toronto dentist Dr. Goodfellow talks in just a moment about how the special custom mouthguard he provides in his treatment clinic has been the solution for many with snoring or sleep apnea problems. And you can go to the website www.sleepapneatoronto.org or www.snoringtoronto.org for a free report that answers the most commonly asked questions. Now, here's Dr. Goodfellow.
Certainly. Sleep apnea, which is diagnosed by a doctor, and quite often a sleep doctor. What that is when patients stop breathing, apnea, when they stop breathing many times in an hour during the night, their sleep is interrupted. So their depth of sleep is interrupted and interfered with. So they wake up in the morning tired. They are not rested. Snoring is something, of course, that the person who sleeps with can diagnose, and these can be related because the back of the throat, the tissues get loose as we get older, and you end up with a vibration and sometimes a collapsing of the airway, and this makes the noise or stops breathing. We make appliances that are similar to the TMJ appliances, which cause the throat to be opened, which allows the patient to breathe better, so you end up with a better sleep, and all of this is connected. So a dentist who's trained can treat mild to moderate sleep apnea and snoring by making a proper dental appliance.
Hi, thanks for watching this brief clip, and if you would like more information plus a free report that answers the most commonly asked questions, you can go to the website sleepapneatoronto.org or snoringtoronto.org. Bye for now.